Wow, cepatnya. Tak sabar nak pergi ronda-ronda.
Hi, sir. This is your delivery.
So, Wani. Nak jadi my one and only tak?
Tegarkan hatiku, tak mau.
Bukalah the box. Bukalah, brother. Oi, bodoh. Why you so useless? Don't know how to pick up the chick, ah?
Come, let Sifu teach you how to get the girl.
What do you know? You're just a bottle.
Wait, I'm not just any bottle, okay?
I'm Power1, Ultimate Love Guru.
Don't play. If you want to get the girl, you must first learn and live
The 5 ultimate rules.
First, you must be
Excellent at acceleration.
Oi, harder. Pump harder lah, bro. Tak makan nasi ke?
Wait. Why am I doing this, huh?
Because you must have...
Enduring performance.
Dave, if you want to protect the chick, you must first learn how to protect yourself. This is called...
Excellent protection.
Hey, you smell that?
Smell what?
Like something masam. Bro, I think you need to shower.
Yes, important rule. Must keep engine cool.
Okay. Now, time to put the last rule to the test. But first, you need to call her. Now, here's her number. Woo!
How did you get her number?
Why you care? You're talking to a bottle lah, brother. Just call her lah.
Hi, Wani. It's me, Abang Wan.
Wow, looking good. What happened to you lah? So swag suddenly.
Well, You wouldn't believe it. But before that, can I ask you something?
Yeah. Okay.
Bagai aur dengan tebing, malam ni jom kita berdating?
Golden Ultimate Rule number 5. Smooth riding.
Thank you, Power1 Ultimate.
Remember everyone, always remember to recycle. Vroom!
Hey guys, Sean here. First off, thanks for tuning in to this exciting virtual launch and we hope you enjoyed the launch video. And if you're wondering if I got to score a date with her, why don't you go ahead and get your very own Castrol Power1 Ultimate today and experience it. But before that, let me just tell you, the Castrol Power1 Ultimate has been making it big in India and Vietnam. And today, I'm proud to let you guys know that the amazing, the fantastic, the one and only Castrol Power1 Ultimate is right here in Malaysia and Singapore. It's available at Castrol Bike Point, so do check it out after the launch. Now, Power1 Ultimate is the latest bikes product from Castrol. Its formula will give you a performance that surprises. Sebenarnya itu tagline kita. Confirm, when you use this engine oil, your ride for sure gempak guys. Macam mana? Because it gives excellent acceleration, giving your bike the edge in acceleration when needed. Excellent protection. Go anywhere, under any condition. Power1 Ultimate for sure akan protect your engine against wear and tear elements. Enduring performance. Always making sure your bike is on form consistently, so you get the best performance from your bike all the time. Keeps your engine cool. With all the performance and speed, Power1 Ultimate also helps keep your engine cool and healthy. And last kali, giving you a smooth ride. The best ride is always a smooth ride, taking your journey further and better. Best kan? Basically, everything you can ask for in a bike engine oil. Excited tak guys? I for sure am excited and can't wait to have my ultimate ride with the Castrol Power1 Ultimate. Okay guys, before we wrap this up, I want you to stay tuned for more awesome and fun content coming your way. Remember to also like and follow Castrol Malaysia's Facebook page to get the latest update and to find out more on what's next for the Castrol Power1 Ultimate journey. Also, please click the links below to find out more about the product or if you would like to purchase your very own Power1 Ultimate for that ultimate ride. Thanks again everyone for watching. This is Sean, signing out. Peace and power on.
Nothing surprises Max, except for the performance delivered by 5-in-1 formula of Castrol Power1 Ultimate. Castrol Power1 Ultimate, performance that surprises.